Yeah, I am muted. Good morning, guys. Let's try that again. Unbelievable. So ORB was easy, and I woke up late. Not really late. I just felt so groggy this morning. I went to sleep so late. I've been going to sleep at like 3 o'clock in the morning because I just been so into the simulator build, and I'm doing research on, and I like to find new things at 11 p.m. at night, and I'm excited to look into more details about certain things. And overslept CPI. I don't know how it played out. I don't know if this would have been survivable. Definitely wick down. I don't know, but ORB was easy. I have a recording of that. We could replay it, and then we'll see if we could get some scalps. Hopefully, get nice moves. I mean, it's been in range all morning, which is nice because it's a big range, 100 points. Market's just been ripping the whole time. Unfortunately, yesterday I did lose one of my Take Profit Trader accounts. Came back at 3:45 p.m. to my desk, and I took a short at 3:50 p.m. and I got ripped apart. So down to 2 accounts, but I did pass that fourth one, which now is going to be a third one. I passed it here, so Monday was going to start another eval, maybe 2, and try to pass them. But I wish I could just trade this size on fundeds, like making $1,500 in one day. I mean, that would be sick. If I went on the streak like I just did, that would be wild. Massive storm. Oh, hope everything's okay. What kind of storm? Thunderstorm or? Well, let's see. We're gonna scalp the other PA accounts. Didn't request a payout yet from this account, but I think today I will. These two accounts are getting close to a payout, so hopefully, if next week is good, if next week is as good as this week, then I could request a nice payout, and then I could be at like 6,000 from Apex on the month if I got approved on those. I don't know if I broke rules or not, but yeah. Hit the like button, guys. We will do a giveaway. I don't know what time. We'll see what time we'll do it. I don't know how long I'm streaming. I don't know anything. Beautiful day out, but being injured just sucks. So we'll see what the price action is doing. I'm gonna try to get it. I did not watch. I did the ORB and I left. I did see this bounce. I was still here. But after that, I did not watch at all. So looks like it was a pretty wild day. Looks like that range is gonna continue, right? I mean, are they gonna hold it this time? I don't know. Like, we'll see. But I am gonna get ready to trade. $507. Okay, we're gonna trade this account. Yeah, I think the obvious is short, but don't want a short weakness. Currently, I'm trading Apex, Bullnox, and Take Profit. I do have to activate more Apex, and I have to activate my Tradeify account, but Alpine should be an idol in Argentina. Why? My name is not Leo Messi. I'm gonna try scalp it here for a short. See what happens. Well, I'm with live accounts on Take Profit Trader, so unfortunately fortunately for me, I don't have to build a buffer. But when I did, I just traded normally the same way I trade now. It's just I couldn't take the money out. The big thing on Take Profit Trader, if you're probably trying to get that buffer in 1 or 2 days. That's the number one mistake I see people do. You try and take out the buffer in 1 or 2 days, or get to the buffer in 1 to 2 days, and you end up blowing the account. That is a very common theme on Take Profit. You have to take your time. Yeah, so it's pretty weak. Market's pretty showing some weakness here. I mean, is it gonna go right back down here? I'd like to take a couple scalp. I don't want to miss out on this somewhat easy short opportunity. So again, just scalping for $100 at a time. Make that a couple of times, and alrighty then. Alrighty, market. What's happening here? Took that a little aggressive, but something was happening there. All right, it's $300 already. But see, I just made $300 without any effort. Like, sometimes we overthink. Sometimes we overthink it. Yes, there's risk on the table, but I just made 30 ticks of profit. And sometimes that's enough. Still, like, it's trying to go higher, but it's failing. So we're gonna see if we could get a little bit more here. If this holds, then it's a little dangerous, but hopefully it doesn't hold. That's kind of how I got caught in Take Profit Trader yesterday. It was a sell-off like that, and then it held, and I shorted the lower high here, and then it just squeezed me. Because the previous times, it doesn't look like it held. I mean, here it kind of did. If I gotta get out of this trade, and then I gotta let it breathe a little bit. Let it get out of this little chop area. Either go higher or lower before I take another trade. If I could get out of this alive. Overtraded a little bit already in this section. It is holding. Come on. Pull it back. Pull it back. If you get one account pro, if you get more funded account, they go to pro 2. Like, give me pro plus. Yeah, I go straight to pro plus. So like I just passed an eval, right? And now it's gonna go straight to pro plus, and I could take out a payout from day number 1. So I'll get that account probably ready for on Tuesday. I'm assuming I'm on 5 days already. I didn't even check how many days I'm on. I'm assuming it's 5 days. And it takes a little longer to set that account up. It takes another like half a day to get the data for that account. Because first you activate it to pro, and then you email them that you want to move it to pro plus. And they respond, and then it's like up to 12 hours to get the account going. Okay, we are holding here. We are holding here. I don't want to make the same mistake I did yesterday. Yesterday I was down around 2 grand. And then I was up $80 and I didn't take the profit. It was insane. I wanted 200 bucks. All right, so yeah, I'm stuck now. I am definitely stuck. But we do have this little trap here, so hopefully that was a little bit of relief. That was 20 ticks right there. I could take one off break even. I'll take one off break even. It's holding. It's how much have you made? I'm not sure. I'm gonna add it all up today. I'm gonna add it all up today because I never write it down, and then it's the 90% off. I mean, the 90% split is kind of hard to keep track because it's always like a uneven number, you know. market is extremely strong. I'm playing based on what the market's been doing today, which is just a straight range, right? But if I could get out of this, then I'm definitely not going to trade within until we break down here or break out. Like, I'm going to try to avoid. Like, this is exactly how I was with Take Profit Trader yesterday. Really like 2 points away from taking profit, and I didn't take the profit. And yeah, I blew the account. It was crazy. I could not believe it. But I used massive size since it was end of day or after hours. So time was against me. Yeah, when you get caught on the wrong side, it sucks, but hopefully it's just temporary right now. Overtraded right here. That volatility spike is what got me in. I was already pretty happy with how I traded that, but that volatility, I was like, oh, something is about to happen. So I got in. Unfortunately, they did not pull it, but still in a little, congestion here. So as fast as it goes up, how fast it goes down. Just got to be slow with ads. Hopefully this will flush. Yeah, hit the like button, guys. We're gonna do a giveaway today for sure. 50K Take Profit Trader eval. But we definitely need some likes for that. Come on, flush it. I have a very powerful PC. I wouldn't stream 1440p if you don't have really good PC. 1080 is just fine. Then you should be able to do it with OBS. OBS or Streamlabs. My PC is the 5080 graphics card. 5080. You'll see how to enter. Number one, you have to be subscribed for a giveaway. I am gonna turn it on for subscribe only mode, and if you haven't been subscribed for more than like 10 minutes, you will not be able to enter the giveaway. Just so you guys know. Most people are subscribed, but I caught myself watching a stream today, this morning. It was a golf stream, not trading stream, but and I was like, oh, wait a minute. I'm not even subscribed to this guy. I watch him all the time, all his videos, and I'm not subscribed. All right, I am gonna just start adding up my payouts because I need to wait for this to I'll set myself alerts above here and down here. My messy spreadsheet, but this was just last week. Last week I made 4,300. We'll see what I made this week. Some of these numbers are not accurate because that's without the profit split. So I'm gonna have to redo all of it. All right, the Monday was 20th. This is 456, 280. So Monday I only made 488. Tuesday I made 524, 31, 384, 461. Today I don't know how much I requested. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't tell me how much I. Yeah, yesterday was like $400, and today's gonna be like 450. I gotta go through it all. That's what sucks. So 2,900 this week. A lot less than last week. $487. This was actually $999 to be exact. Okay, so I made 97.45 so far. That's pretty good. Still got a week left. Still got a week left, so 97.45 so far this month. Puts us at 270 on the year, almost. Okay, we'll take that. And then I'm going to request a payout from Apex today, so hopefully that gets approved. So not much in payouts, right? $9,700 is not a lot. And guys, the giveaway is not open yet. What are you guys doing? And the biggest thing is like, if I just did what I did the last 15 days on 20 or 30 accounts, then it's a 30, 40, 50K month. It's the same exact thing I've been doing during those big months, except I was trading a lot more accounts. So that's all it is. It's just multiplication. I can't look at this month and be like, oh, it's only 10 grand. What a failure. No, I made 10 grand with basically 2 accounts. Sometimes it was 3 accounts, but that didn't last long. That was only a few days. And I never traded 3 accounts. I've only traded 2 accounts. Now today I'm only trading 1 account because I only have 2, so I don't want to trade it and then Monday not be able to trade. I could live a whole year with that 10K money? No. No, you can't. I wish I could make, 10K in 2 days like Mr. Okala, but those were take profit trader accounts. So the only payouts, this is the October with take profit. That's the only payouts I received. I didn't receive any. I will be requesting an Apex payout today for a total of $6,529 minus $1,929. Tempted to make $70 on this account. The max payout is $2,750. I don't know if I should wait. I mean, if I win on the ORB on Monday and Tuesday, then I could take a full payout. But I don't know. Money is hard to come by nowadays, right? So gotta take the money. And starting Monday, I gotta size up. I'm trading 1, 2, 3. 3 Apex accounts and 1 Bullnox account. I think it's time to size up a little, and then 1 take profit. So 3, 4, 5 accounts. I think Monday it's time to size up to 7 accounts. Yes, I traded the ORB today. That's a good reminder. I'm gonna show the recording of it. If I could find it. I know it's here somewhere, but where could it be? Let me see where this saves. So this is my take profit trader today. So the payout's gonna be like $500, not 450. It's gonna be like 500, so not bad. Tempted to trade more, to be honest. Try to get 1,000 out of it, you know. But let me just see where this saves, because I don't even know where I saved the video. Apex stream overlays. Got it. All right, so this is today's ORB. I think the market is about to open in 14, 13 seconds here. Never won against me. It's gonna go even lower, so. Fairly good. Just enough to get out on the first push. So that's important. You know, sometimes like I lost where this would like just miss me by that much on the final target. So the luck is reversing a little bit. Is it true if you get 10K in one day on Take Profit Trader, they move you to a live? Yes, they do. Remember, going live with Take Profit Trader, it's the most amazing thing, but it's got to be 10K in one single account. If you could make 10K in one single account in one day, you want to be live because you get to save a lot of money. If you can make 10K in one day, going live, you save $1,000 in that account in payouts per day. Because 80 versus 90%. 80%, once you start making decent profits, you know, you make 10K in a month. Now you pay 2K in commissions, right? It starts to add up pretty quick. But it's worth it. But at the live account, it's only 10%, so it's huge. Best thing, I blew my live account and still got some money from pro account money on. I don't know how that works. That I don't know. But you could be lucky, right? I mean, yes, if you get lucky and you do it, I mean, more power to you. I don't know if anyone that got lucky and did it, but anytime I would try that, I would hit the drawdown for sure. So it's 10K in one day or 20K in total payouts. So I reached 20K in total payouts. That's how I got moved to Pro Plus. All right, we're about to break out here from that. All right, so the alert got triggered. No, 20K total payouts. But I was quite consistent, right? So I don't know if that had anything to do with it. Of course, when I went live, that's when I stopped being consistent. But honestly, not really, because when I got pushed to live, I waited like 3 weeks for the accounts. But that was kind of my fault too. I didn't do the paperwork right away, and then something was missing, and then something was delayed, and so I traded well for 3 weeks. And I was kind of having FOMO that if I had my live accounts, I would have made so much more money in August. I think I ended up making what? I ended up making 45,000 in August. It would have been easily well over 50K if I had my Take Profit Trader account. So I got pushed to live with Elite Trader funding and Take Profit Trader early August, and I didn't get the account till September. You could see like this is like my June. I know my spreadsheet's all over the place, but like this is my Take Profit Trader from June. You could see how consistent, you know. $56,000. June was my best month. If I get 15,000 this month, that's gonna be a great month. No, my golf is not good. I'm still injured. I'm planning my golf simulator. I am planning my golf simulator in my garage, my new garage, which is not gonna be built till probably January. So, if that, I mean, month is going by so fast. Who are you getting, Foresight or Trackman? I'm getting pretty much either the Garmin R50 or Pro TVX. Garmin I like because it's got local courses, so it's more fun for that purposes. You could take it to the driving range, and then Pro T is nice because it's overhead and it has a lot more analysis, but 43K as of today, very nice. Let's go. That's a very nice month. Am I getting a putting mat? Well, I'm making the sim as big as I can, and I'm getting the putting green and the hitting mat as one piece, right? It's gonna be like one surface. So it's gonna cost me around 20K to do it. By the way, I'm Dominican trader. I know. I could tell by your picture. Yeah, Trackman's not worth it. Trackman is way overpriced. Trackman is good for coaches and for and fitters. For a golf sim, you definitely don't need Trackman. Plus, it's not good. The Trackman IO is not as it's not 30K, but it's not worth it. Yeah, Foresight you need the quad though. The GC3 is nice, but it doesn't give you all the club data, so you talk about the simulator or the launch monitor. The Garmin R50 has local courses. I could literally play a course that I play on, the part 3 course. It's that good. The graphics aren't the best, but you could run GS Pro on it too. And you don't need a PC, you don't need anything, right? So it's both. Garmin's nice. I'm trying to find a deal on it. I could always sell it, I'm gonna get it and then I could always sell it. It's 5 grand, and this one is 4,700. So pretty cool. It has a screen, 10-inch screen on it, so it's pretty nice. It's got 3 cameras. Yeah, so these are the options for the overhead. This one I didn't really look into, or this one. Or even this one. Apparently this one's really good. It's got free software. It's got every single data you would imagine. Really good customer service. Look, it measures everything. So I'm between those two. If not the local courses, I would just go with, okay, we're breaking out. If not the local courses, I would go with the. I've actually never DJ an Indian wedding. I've only done photo booths. I have a good friend that, well, I have a friend that does Indian weddings, so I used to do photo booths for him. You have the Garmin Phoenix 5. I have Garmin S50. Budget. I'm on the budget here. What does the Garmin machine do? It's a golf launch monitor, so you could pretty much, let me show you, I guess. I find like a very simple.
Of test, we'll look at the practice on the actual range. So a launch angle that's going to be in your bottom right.
I don't like that he
Built-in putting feature. Let's face it, it stinks. But don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to add webcam putting to your Garmin R50 using Springbox.
For just $8.99 a month, the new Garmin R50 launch monitor lets you tee off on over 43,000.
Oh my word, the middle of the club face.
Oh, finally.
So that's what it does.
Oh, it's absolutely perfect. It's going to kick off the hill.
That's what I'm building in my garage, in my new garage.
What a shot, mate. Right, so it's important to note that you've got to set up on 2-player here, haven't you?
Yep.
And you can actually get up to 4 players playing home to your hero.
Yeah. And they have to be stroke players. So currently we can't do scrambles, we can't do things like that. I expect that will come pretty soon.
Yeah, I think it will come up in updates on it, but at the moment it's just stroke players.
What percent of wedding do you see a photo booth in? I would say 90%.
Might be good, actually.
That'd be a good swing there.
It's going to kick, hopefully, off the hill and roll down.
Yeah,
Keep rolling,
there,
keep rolling.
You must have a huge garage. I'm building a new one. My car garage. I don't. You know, I guess you never seen my garage, but I'm building another one. All right, we broke out here. But still. No, I'm building another garage daily day trade. Because I'm storing cars in my house garage. I'm building a garage in the backyard that is going to be more like a shed. I do plan on making it roughly let's see. Go on, fill me in. With this new PC, I don't have any pictures of my garage on it. So I'm trying to send some to myself and I can't find any pictures on my phone. Okay. Little chill stream today, guys. No pressure, just scalping a little bit. I am so ready for ORB to just be my main thing again. It's the best. You don't have to put a lot of time into trading with it. All right, just send myself some pictures. I think I'm gonna be done with this account. We're gonna switch over to another one. So this is my current garage. That's inside my house, attached to my house. So I built that over the winter. And that's what it came out like. So this is for cars. And now I need a garage for everything else, right? So the cars are in the garage. Terrible picture of my car with the lift up. This is what my car looks like now with the wheels. And this is kind of what I'm trying to build in my backyard. So this will be a 2-car garage. A car won't be able to fit in here though. But I'm trying to make sure I could fit 1 car in here during winter time. If it's snowing, I could put my SUV in here. DJ equipment would go here, and snow blower, all that, shovels and chainsaws, and I like tools, so that's where everything would go. And then here I would make like a chop saw and table saw table. And this would be the sim. 16-foot wide screen. So that's the plan. We'll see if we could go with it. Beautiful cars. Those are yours? Yes, they are. Damn, that garage is the size of my apartment in New York. That's why I hate New York. I hate New York for that reason. How much do I make from YouTube? It varies. I could make a lot more if I put the time into it. But it's 5 figures a month for the most part. So 3 sources of income really make it easier to build a garage like that. Plus, I don't spend, like I said, I have a $400 Garmin watch instead of a Rolex for 10 grand or 15 grand, like I don't spend my money. It depends. It depends on sales. It depends on streams. Depends on how many views. It all depends. So it's like how much am I risking per trade compared to your total drawdown on the account? I'm trying not to break 30%. Does Apex allow 10, 20 tick scalping? Yes, they do. I mean, YouTube is definitely a great, and I'm seeing it with the golf. Like now I want to start a golf channel to build a golf simulation channel, and all the equipment I just showed you for 5 grand, you know, 10 grand, you get it for free. It's crazy. Yeah, you could. There's nothing against scalping. The only thing is the 30% drawdown. And then there's a 5-to-1 risk reward. So if overall you are obvious with being, you know, well below 5-to-1 risk reward, then they might deny you a payout. I don't only scalp for that reason. Well, if you built a cushion like that, I mean, why not trade like that? I mean, I'm scalping right now and I feel really good about it. Just got to be patient. They all do. 5-minute chart. You could start with something very simple. You could get this. And I'm sure you could get it used on Facebook. This thing is great. I have that. My brother uses it, but this thing is great. And then just go to a driving range with it. But the thing is, it depends. This is not going to tell you why you're slicing, right? You have to kind of, the more advanced simulator launch monitors will give you more data to show you why you're slicing, but you also have to understand the data. It's not, you know, just that simple. Table you have on the left, is it profit including eval fees? No, I don't do that till end of the year during tax season. I don't want to know exactly how much. I did it for a couple months. People were asking, but I personally don't care. So for me, it doesn't matter. Because bad months, you spend a lot. Good months, you don't spend pretty much anything. So it's like, you're going to look at it on bad months and you're going to be like, oh my God. And then you have a 50K month and you're like, whoa, I spent $2,000 and I made 50 grand. But then the months that you make $1,000, you're going to spend 5,000. So it's like, you're just going to get in your head and you're going to trade worse. But I had Like from July to September, I had accounts. I just blew them in September for almost 100 days. Almost 100 days on Apex. So sad. I could have requested another $40,000, $30,000 to $40,000. I didn't even have to trade, which would have covered all my fees. So that would have been net if I would have just taken that payout. But I wanted to keep growing the accounts. Now one loss turns into another loss, and then can't get a winning trade, and yeah, blew the account. It was very, very sad. And then September was just not a good month. All my September payouts are pretty much from August trading. Yeah, now you're working for September, exactly. Like, I mean, for November, yes. Like you're not gonna make money now, right? Like on Take Profit, yeah, I might make a little bit more, but now I'm focused on Apex. You know, I have these evals I gotta activate. I got one Take Profit, then 1, 2, 3. I should really try to pass this today, but it doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more Apex accounts. I really got to start, you know, getting that $200-$300 per account, and it starts to add up slowly. Like I'm up 551 right now. No point of trading this account. Let's move on to the next one, right? Let's move on to another one. Do you deduct eval fees from taxes? Yes. I deduct a lot from taxes. Eval fees, internet. The thing is, I have a DJ business. So for me, the deductions are kind of combined. So I make 6 figures from DJing too. So it's like my taxes are really high. Do I have Lucid? No, I don't have Lucid right now, but I did trade with Lucid when I had a lot of accounts. Love them. It's just with Lucid, I go straight to funded. So definitely want to go straight to funded when I'm trading well, which I'm starting to. I'm starting to trade well now. So the last 3 weeks has been quite amazing. I'm going to take that off. It's not really going. I'm going to re-enter right there. Oh, too soon. So this chop is really interesting that it's not selling off like it did here. Right? Like we chopped, sold off. We hit the resistance, sold off. Here it's like I'm trying to get it to sell off, but it just doesn't want to, which tells me that this might not be ideal to keep shorting. So I got to be more careful. There you go. Just made $134. Do I produce my music? No, I have no interest in producing music. I'm a wedding DJ, so I just play music. I'll do mashups and play with stems, but I don't produce my own music because that's very difficult and it's no fun because you're not going to make any money from it. You have to be really good. Well, John, I don't know. It's hard to say. Seems like it wants to sell off now, right? All of a sudden now it looks weak. But is it just trapping? Carolina, how long did it take you to become profitable? Depends how you look at it. I have a long timeline of trading. I have a long timeline of trading, so it's not as easy. But hit the like guys, and we're gonna do a nice giveaway today. We're gonna give away a Take Profit Trader giveaway, 50K, and then maybe we'll do another prize like $100 or something. If we get enough likes, if we get 300 likes, and the giveaway will be maybe at like 2 o'clock or so. We'll see. Right now the market's okay. We'll see what it does, and want to keep trading. Not really in the rush to go anywhere today. Black Coffee Trader, what is going on? How are we doing, Black Coffee Trader? I've been so into golf that I haven't watched any of your recaps lately. I just been my YouTube homepage is gonna turn into from trading and Call of Duty content to just straight golf content.
But that's about all I can say for it.
See, and then we're gonna have streams like this. This is gonna be Friday night drinking stream. Talk golf and trading once I set my garage up. It's gonna be fun. Had a good week, nice. Yeah, I just added up all my payouts for the month, and I am pleasantly surprised that I'm reaching nearly 10,000. Big bounce there. See, it's like it doesn't want to sell off. And I request $2,000 from Apex today. So hopefully can reach 15,000 by end of the month, which would not be a bad month considering that I only did it with 2 accounts. Do I have a recommended projector? I do and I don't. Depends if you're on the budget or not. You made 800 across 11 accounts? Damn. What made you copy trade? Um, 5-minute chart. Do you have the space? Do you need the bright impact screen? The screen is very important to have that quality of an image. I'm an expert in golf sims. It's crazy what you could learn on YouTube in a very short time. I had no idea about golf sims about 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, and now I'm an expert. I know projectors. I know all the launch monitors. I know the mats. I know the impact screens, the different types of enclosures you can have. It's crazy. 43 likes to go for what? We don't have a set like amount for a giveaway today. We're gonna do a giveaway at a certain time. No matter what likes we have, we're still doing the giveaway. But if we hit 300 likes, we'll do an extra $100. Okay, 5-minute chart. Yeah, so I recommend you going to Carl's. Let me actually give you the link. And then go on their YouTube channel and you could start. You're gonna find everything you need on there. Screens, projectors, but definitely do your own research on whether you want 4K or well, Miss K, the more likes we have, the more we're gonna do as a giveaway. There's just no target to when I'm gonna do a giveaway, if that makes sense. So you could keep nagging because the more likes, the better. Helps the stream. And then it's Friday. I'm feeling good. Second week in a row with all green days. Every single day was a green day. Blew a couple of accounts this week. But again, trading with prop firms, the beauty of it is you could make $500 on 5 accounts, blow 1 account, and you still feel like you're green on the day, even though you're not, right? If you were trading just 1 account, you made $500 on 5 accounts, you made $2,500. You blew 1 account, you lost $2,500. You'll be break even. But in sim world, in funded world, you're actually green on the day because you made progress on those 5 accounts. My famous saying is you could be an unprofitable trader and make money with prop firms as a trader. It doesn't take much. It literally just takes 10 days of solid trading, 10, 15 days of solid trading to make a good month. No one would believe me. People that don't watch me wouldn't believe me that I've made $700,000 in payouts almost. And what, 80% of that is in 1 minute or less a day. Up 3.4K on my first day with the 50K take profit account. Is that a funded account? That means you could take a payout today? If so, let's go. 1,400 bucks right there. All minus 20%, but first one in a long time. Let's go. I was just there. Well, for me, long time is probably different, but still, for me, it felt like forever without a payout. I'm going to be requesting my first Apex payout today since September 12th. You know how long that is for me? I used to request a payout from Apex almost every other day, it seemed like. Because my accounts were so unsynced, you know, so I would take 1 or 2 payouts at a time, and not going through a payout, you know, with Apex for a month and a half is crazy for me. Luckily, I am live with Take Profit Trader. That really helped my mental portion of trading, because I didn't have to build a cushion. So right now I took out what, $9,000, almost $10,000 in payouts. That would be most build up of cushion, right? If I was trading with pro accounts, that would just be building up the cushion. That wouldn't be payouts. So I wouldn't make as much. I would probably be more aggressive though, so it depends. I'm ready to trade 2 live accounts on the opening range trade. Do you prefer taking maximum payout on Apex or whatever payout is available? In between. So my maximum payout available on this account is 2750, right? But today I'm going to take out 1930. I'm going to try to make 70 bucks probably. One scalp, you know, should be able to make it. And then I could take out 2000. I could wait till Tuesday, trade it 2 more days, and get the maximum 2750. But what if Monday or Tuesday is a losing day? It took me forever to grow this account because I think I'm on day like 10 or 11 now. You know, making 500 bucks a day. It takes a while to get here. So I'm due for a loss. I am due for a loss for sure. I've been on a pretty good stretch. I trade minis. I trade minis. And I scalp. For the most part, I do take some bigger trades as well, but it's more rare, more inconsistent, so it pisses me off because I hate seeing a profitable trade go negative or break even. It really puts me on tilt. All right. This is a tough range because I was expecting it to go lower. It has not. But every time it tries to go higher, it gets pulled down. And I don't know if they're trying to play a game with shorts and trying to get them loaded up here, so when they squeeze end of day, you know, they have to cover, or what's going on. But or maybe it's just going to be a chop afternoon. We'll see. Just don't want to get too confident and overtrade, so I'm just going to be taking my time with entries. Looking to take maybe 5-6 more scalps today. It's 100 bucks at a time. Don't really like shorting weakness, but I'm gonna take that short right there. See if didn't think I was gonna get filled like that, but got filled. Okay, so you could see it's getting bought up. So that's why shorting weakness is not ideal in this situation, but we'll see if we could work out of it. If not, we'll take a stop. Just putting that in there just in case something crazy happens. The range is very small. It's the ATR is small, so definitely afraid of a breakout. I would like to see a breakout. I'm afraid of it right now because I'm just taking shorts all day, which I prefer to take longs, but I prefer longing at the bottom. Damn. Just like I thought, shorting the weakness is just so bad. All right, this is the decision to make. Is this gonna break? I don't want to add yet. Might be like too slow to even scalp. I am using a 500 tick chart if you're wondering. So it might look different than yours. Yeah, it's a hard time selling off. But if you short the pops, you know, it's much easier. It's shorting the weakness that could get you in trouble. When it's slow. When it's volatile, I don't mind shorting the weakness. Yeah. Just a strong uptrend overall. Probably should switch my bias. Because it is making higher lows. It's not making lower highs and lower lows. Like here it was for a little bit, but when the market wants to turn, it just turns and there's no resistance. I shorted at a terrible spot. I might just get out. $640s, damn. Yeah, I'm just gonna get out right there for a 20-point loss. Rather make the loss back. Versus be stuck in the trade I don't want to be in. This might still sell off, but right now it's just struggling to go lower. Every time it tries, it gets put up. It's my fault for shorting weakness. If I would have shorted the pop, I would have already been out, and that's the difference. I shorted into weakness. That did not have any follow through. Wow, but it's very, very slow. You know what? Let's just get out of it. It's only down for 149. I don't want to think about whether it's going to break out or go lower. This is not doing anything right now that I like. So let me just take a loss and we'll make it back. Lost 250 on that. That was a bad entry, so gotta be okay with playing it safe. It still might go lower, but it's so 50-50 right now that I really hope we see some volatility. Oh, come on, Ben. I was getting excited reading your message and then you were being sarcastic. Oh yeah, where's the CPI high? Oh, it's here. Okay. So ES is stuck. How is gold doing? Did gold slow down? I mean, this is incredible. The fact that we already recovered from that big crash. It's really, I gotta check if my Robinhood recovered. I don't think my Robinhood recovered. There's no way. It did. Wow. Yeah, I'm green on the week, green on the month. Actually, no, it didn't recover yet. I wonder why. Maybe because it's Tesla. Tesla's pulling it down. I have $105,000 in my Robinhood investments. Least estimator and Ben, what happened? What was the issue this week? This is slow. Come on, market. Wake up. Market needs to wake up. Last Friday was crazy, wasn't it? I walked away because I couldn't. Last Friday, I couldn't trade for the life of me. We're 90 likes away from a giveaway, guys. We'll do the giveaway at 300 likes. If not, we'll do it at 2 o'clock. But if we don't get to 300 likes, it's only going to be a 50K take profit eval. And remember, you have to be subscribed. I'm going to turn on subscriber mode only to enter the giveaway. I am ready for golf, but my body's not. Mr. Ocala, what's going on, bro? How much we taking out from Take Profit today? We talked about you yesterday on stream. People were asking who I think is the best trader in prop firms. 12K, nothing crazy. Why'd you even bother waking up? For 12K? What a waste of a day, man. Come on. Rookie numbers. Yeah, I've been hearing about gold. I did watch it. I made some money on it. I think it was Monday or Tuesday. Passed a bunch of evals with it. But I don't know. Didn't end well. Let me take a look what it's doing now. Now it's pulling back a lot, huh? Well, not today, I guess. I don't know, just so hard to judge this chart. Yeah, this day I was trading it. 21st, whatever that day was, Monday, Tuesday. Ocala took out what? What's the total on take profit this week? It was 50. It was 60,000 one day, 25,000 another day, 12K today. So that right there is pretty much 100. That's insane. So you may take profit like 10 grand this week. $97,000. That's insane, bro. That's why I'm like all the big traders on Apex, the leaderboards, they took out $2 million in a short period of time. Maybe they went on a good lucky, streak. They killed it for a certain amount of time. It's so different to make $2 million when you're doing it every single day and you're taking smaller payouts for a long time. Yeah, Pro Plus is it's just insane. But that's why I got greedy yesterday when I blew that one take profit. I was like, I'm going to try to get in and hold it for a big sell-off into end of day. And of course, it didn't work. I've made $10,000 on take profit this month, which I'm laughing at it now. And an hour ago, I was happy with it. If I made $100,000 in a week, I would be buying the biggest golf simulator I could find. But here's the thing. It's all about perspective too, but a take profit live account, right? This is the craziest thing. So take profit trader, right? You blow a live account, you go right back to live. You pass an eval, you go right back to live, or you could even reset a live or reset a pro account and go into live right away. It's $1,500, so it's expensive. But someone for like Ocala, I mean, I wouldn't even think about it twice. For me, like I don't do it yet, but like after I blew that one account yesterday, now I'm thinking about it. I'm like, do I want to trade the 2 accounts I have today, make $1,500 on those, and use that $1,500 to reset an account? But it's still spending $1,500 if you make it. But if you make 20, 30K in a week, you spend $3,000 to reset 2 accounts. It's amazing. But that's one thing. The other thing is like, there's no risk. You can make all this money with zero risk. Because you take, in my example, you take a pro account, I made $9,000 with those accounts this month. I have zero risk on those accounts now, right? I spent some money on them. I've made all that money back and plus more. So now I could literally risk $9,000 and 30 contracts and send it at no risk. And all the money I make is all my money. If I lose it, I didn't lose any money. It doesn't make sense. It almost does not make sense. Like I have no risk on my end. They're giving me $9,000, or if you have 5 accounts, that's almost $23,000 of risk, and 50, 60, 70 contracts. $70 contracts at no risk. Once you make $100, $200, $300 payout. You have fresh accounts, fresh live accounts. You make $300 because that's how much you spend on the account. Let's say you paid for the account and then you reset it once, right? So let's say you spent $300 per account. You get one payout from Take Profit, and then you full send. And I'm not saying you have to full send in one trade. You could scalp all day, or you could do different things and just make insane amount of money. It's amazing, especially if you're a good trader. For me, I can't do that pressure. For some odd reason, I just can't do it. Giveaway, will be later on, and you'll see how to enter when we start it. What's the balance you start with Pro Plus? 0. Start at 0, but there's no what's it called? No buffer needed. So you start at 0 and you take out whatever you make. So let me show you my account. Like, this is my balance in my account. I made $580, $562 after commissions in 4 seconds this morning. And this 562 is what I'm going to request tonight. And I'm going to get this money on Monday. This money is going to be mine on Monday. And then Monday I could restart all over again and make another 500 and take it out on Tuesday. Do another 500, take it out, and just keep going. I don't have to make $4,500 to take out the 500, which is the beauty of the live account. And that's why anyone that ever complains about going live with Take Profit does not understand Take Profit. You know, I hear people like, oh, it's not fair they put you live if you just make 10K. I'm like, you want to be live. If they say, can you, or do you want to go live? You say yes. Yes, of course. It's the best. There's nothing better than Take Profit Trader. Number one, from even the pro accounts, not only the Pro Plus, but the pro accounts. There's just nothing better than Take Profit. The only thing that sucks with Take Profit is the 5-day eval. That portion sucks big time. But it's only $100 for a 50K eval. So it's actually cheaper to get in. Sometimes they do even refunds if you pass a 50K account. Right now, this promo is not existent, but oftentimes they run a promo where if you get a payout with that account, they'll refund you the fee. It's crazy. The only platform worth being live is Take Profit. Yes. You can have only one pro. No, you could have 5. I have 2. I blew one yesterday. At the end of the day, being an idiot. I wasn't home, and then I got home and tried to make some money. But I passed another one today. Slowly but surely, made $1,500 a day for a while, and finally passed it today. So I'll be back to 3 accounts starting Tuesday, maybe even Monday. I'm assuming Tuesday. Trade day, I did evals one time. Haven't been funded with them yet. I'm going to try. I did get funded with trade day, I don't know, last year or even end of 2023. That's when they only had 1 account. Prop Shop, I don't have any opinion on them. Ocala, I believe, does. I think he took out, I don't know if he took out payouts. I know he traded with them for a couple weeks or a couple months. Yes, they are very similar, and I think definitely want to have 3 accounts with them as well. And they have end of day drawdown option, which is great. So having 3 trade day accounts and 5 Take Profit Trader accounts, and you can make your living out of those 8 accounts, and everything else you just milk. Funded Next, don't really have much experience with or knowledge about. They keep reaching out to me about affiliate. I don't know if I should take it or not. I like to be affiliated with prop firms that don't have any contracts or anything like that, and I am actively trading with and actively getting payouts with first, and then based on my experience, I use a code. That's why I don't have a code with a lot of prop firms. Which one is better, Apex or TPT? So Apex is better at scalability. With Apex, you can make $50,000 in a month, right? If you commit to it without making a lot of money. You could make you can make 40, depends what size accounts you have. But the 20 accounts in Apex are just unbeatable. Like you could get one payout with, 20 accounts. That's massive. But it's not easy. I've personally never once had a payout with Apex with 20 accounts. Never in once in 2.5 years of trading ever gotten a payout with 20 accounts with Apex at the same time. And I see it all over the place on Twitter, but I barely ever have 20 accounts total. I'm always like, 15, 16, I blow one down to 14 and always like off sync. I never copy trade my eval, so I never have, like I'll copy trade 5, but not 20. So I never have accounts that are synced. If that makes sense. Again, still not falling. I feel like the market just wants to keep going today. It's going to be hard to scalp. I'm glad I got out when I did. But need to see something in order to take more trades right now. Got plenty of time. $45 likes away, guys. 45 likes away. We're going to start the giveaway. If not, we'll do it at 2 o'clock. Feels so weird that it's already 1 o'clock because I started this stream late. But we have a lot of viewers today, so I like that. Asia market is way more exciting. But this was pretty good. I think until I got on stream, as soon as I got on stream at 11:30 is when the market just died out. I feel like this was pretty good. Especially this sell-off. This looked pretty good. Nice V-shaped reversal as well. Do I still DJ? Yes. That's still my main source of income. Not my biggest source of income, but my main. I don't plan on stopping DJing for a very long time. Well, long time is relative, right? I am going to be 37 in 2 months. I think by 45, I would probably want to retire from DJing. Play some music. I don't like playing music because music is a very selective. Everyone likes different types of music, so I like dance music. I mean, I like everything, to be honest. I'm very easy to please. You give me hip hop, R&B, reggae, reggaeton, merengue, freestyle, 80s, house music. House music has so many different genres, so I'm not gonna go through all of them. Pretty much like all of them. Even some dubstep sometimes. Country music, acoustic music. I don't like pop too much, like Billie Eilish type stuff. You know, I don't like it, but pretty much don't dislike it. I like rock, punk rock. There's no music I don't like, really. We could make strobes in the background. Should we play my songs? Since we're trading well again. Let me play you guys some of the songs someone made for me. Let me find the good ones. There's so many. I think there's this one.
We the best traders. Alpine got the playbook. Alpine Nation, stand up. They ain't ready.
Oh yeah.
Let's get it. I'm in that Alpine mode. Alpine in the seat. Now the whole team glow. Wrist tight, gains high, never trade slow. Lessons on lock. Yeah, we all gon' grow. Hey. Calls come clean. YouTube chat live. Legends in the game. We don't just survive. No pump, no hype. Just the real flow. Alpine fam, yeah, we all in the zone. Let me talk to them. Alpine drop gems. That's a master class. Turning L's into W's.
This sounds like Pitbull.
Small facts, running this court like Goldman Sachs. Community lit, voice chat popping, no random alerts. We know what's dropping. Chart look clean, set up, been locked in. Risk on point, no bag flopping. He the gold in the zone. Self-made, built this all on his own. Legends tier, that's throne level tone. Talk the game, now the students full grown. I'm in that Alpine mode, Alpine in the seat. Now the whole team glow, wrist tight, gains high, never tread slow. Lessons on lock, yeah, we all gon' roll. Yeah. Calls come clean, YouTube chat live. Legends in the game, we don't just survive. No pump, no hype, just the real flow. Alpine fam, yeah, we all in the zone. Woo! Woo! You don't need luck, you need a system. Yeah, we don't chase. Alpine, let's go.
There is other ones. Okay.
Yeah. Alpine, let's go. Another one. Big wins only.
futures come alive. Screens glow green, markets start to drive. One click locked in, apex on the rise. Wrist tight, aim sharp, chasing perfect highs. Trading 5 motions, scalping with precision. Take profit visions, Alpine's on a mission. Let's go.
Can't find the other one.
Another one. Big wins only. Trade life. Wake up, charts lit, futures come alive. Screens glow green, markets start to drive. One click locked in, apex on the rise. Wrist tight, aim sharp, chasing perfect highs. Trader-fied motion, scalping with precision. Take profit visions, Alpine's on a mission. Vegas night grind, P&L ambition. Stacking those wins, no chance, just decision. Fast lane, bright lights, Porsche in the night. Engine roars loud like the Nasdaq's height. From the charts to the decks, worlds collide. Trading is fate, Alpine's on the rise. He's the Alpine trader. Money moves, rule breaker. Another one. Futures running through his veins. Big win, flipping losses into gains. He's the Alpine rider. Trade life, fast lane. Dreams a player. Alpine. From the market to the stage. He was born to break the cage. Break it. Charts in the day. Let's go. Face at night. Risk gets paid. When the setup's right, no 9 to 5.
Yeah, it's not bad. Is Patrick, someone mentioned Patrick, is Patrick back from his crazy adventure? If I had Patrick wheeling money, man, I would have the craziest golf sim ever. I would easily spend $100,000 on a sim. Actually, I'll probably open a business, golf simulator business.
From the Porsche to the profits, from the charts to the crowd. This is more than trading. This is destiny. He's the Alpine trader. Money moves, born a breaker. Let's go. Futures running through his veins. Turning losses into gains. He's the Alpine rider. Trade life, fast lane. Dreams a player. Alpine. From the market to the stage. Another one. He was
Can the market do something, please? I want to make my loss back here. It looks primed for a breakout. I think I'm just gonna place orders because I think when I wait for them, it's gonna place the orders that way. If it dips again,
Alpine. Let's go. Another one. Big wins only.
little house music.
YouTube chats alive. We're on the grind.
Some Avicii vibes. Yeah, I have it's called Back 9 near my house, so I wouldn't be able to open something near my house. It would have to be far. I don't know if it's a good business, to be honest. Indoor version of Top Golf. There is a place by me like that.
Take profit in my pocket, watch the candles
Like they got food, drinks. Really want to check it out. Let's see, it's all open.
From the charts to the road, it's all about the hustle. Alpine out.
Is it per guest or is it per bay? That's per bay. I might go there today. I wonder what they use. Wonder what kind of if I was healthy out. Oh man, the food looks good too. Wings. Grilled wings, even better. Yingling, my favorite. Okay, let's go down the line. I like it. I love it. I like it. I like it. It's okay. Nope. Nope. Never had it. Never had it. Don't know what that tastes like. Love it. Love it. Like it. Ooh, Allagash. There we go. Ooh, my favorite beer. This thing is crazy. The triple Allagash, 9%. That thing will make me swing like Tiger Woods in no time. Really want to go there now. That really is what someone just said, indoor Top Golf. Top Golf is having trouble. It's fading out. It's just very expensive, but they're building a Top Golf near me. Well, not near me, but closer to me. The closest one, there's only one in New Jersey, and it's an hour away. They're building one that's a little closer, but it's not going to be open till next summer, and I don't really have much interest in Top Golf now that I'm actually golfing. I think Top Golf is great for like entertainment and beginners. Doesn't mean I wouldn't go there with friends that want to get food and drinks, but I wouldn't go there to practice, if that makes sense. Wow, can we break out already, market, please? How many likes do we need? 14 likes. Come on, we can start the giveaway now. If you guys all hit the like button. There's only 215 people watching now. We lost 100 people because we're talking about golf, but that's better for you guys. Come on. It's like the opposite of last Friday. I feel like it's going to break out. Definitely feels like it wants to break out. I also don't want to buy it and get dumped on. So that's how it goes. Gotta wait it out. Don't want to chase strength like I chased weakness before. The trade ended up working out, actually, now that I think about it. If I didn't stop out and I didn't put my stop up here, if I just stuck to my original stop loss, it would have worked out. I just realized it. All right, let's see. It's getting ready. Is it going to go higher or not? There it goes. But no follow through. What a weak breakout. Wow, this is terrible. All right, we're almost at 300 likes. Let's start this giveaway. You could enter now.
The Indian.
We'll do we'll do we'll do 2 races. How about that? We won't do first and second place. We'll just do 2 different races. The red EMA is 200. Enter the giveaway. Mike, do you have a golf channel? No. You attempted during COVID, but I took down all the videos. Why? I kind of want to make one now. I don't know if I should do a new channel or just post content on here, but Well, it's not only about best golf, it's also like about the content you create. You probably entered already, Austin. It goes by very fast, so I forgot to do something. Forgot to change it to subscribers only. So some of you guys might have snuck in if you're not subscribed. I'm gonna go get myself some water and I enjoy golf too much to try to make content. Yeah, like actually golfing on the golf course, I will not make content. Because I think it takes away from the game. It also, you have to be really good at making content. Like you can't play with strangers and like make videos. Like people get so pissed at you at public courses. So I'm gonna do more sim content. So that way I could combine it with trading. So I could do like a sim stream and talk about trading while I'm playing golf. And who knows, maybe one day get like a partnership. Because there's channels with like 5K subscribers and they get partnered with like brands. We got 5 minutes left, guys. 5 minutes. We're gonna do 2 giveaways, one for a 50K take profit eval and one for a $100 bill. Austin, yes, you did. Prop Golf. I like that. It's a good name. Okay, let's see if this is gonna flush and fill me into this. Any chances of a sell-off? Possibly. We've been getting a lot of sell-offs, but yesterday I kind of screwed up. Wow, just missed the entry there. Just missed the entry there, so I'm gonna lower it a tiny bit. Like it's gonna want to flush. Like longs are gonna just bail. Couple more candles lower. Again, no fill. Oh my goodness. That is so unfortunate. No one's ignoring you. You guys are just panicking for no reason. Like Austin said, oh, I didn't get to enter. Like he said that 5 times. You're in. If you typed Alpine, you're in. Two minutes left. No, you're good, Austin. I'm just picking on you. How do you get extra tickets? You become a member of the channel. You actually, the extra tickets are only on fast giveaways. When we do giveaways like we do today, you will see it if it's your first time. They automatically enter into the giveaway. We're gonna do a race. 2 races today, actually. Car race. It's gonna be a car race, and first race, the winner will take the 50K eval, and then second race, the winner will take the $100 bill. Okay, finally got filled. Let's see if it's now the flush. Yeah, it could be the flush now. I missed the fill twice before, which would have won the trade. And now we could be in a big sell-off situation here. Wow. 11 ticks is like a swing trade. All right, we'll take that. take it again here at the 15-minute high. All right, the giveaway is closed, but I'm going to open it for 1 more minute. And I'm going to start typing in the names of the members into the race. Not sure if we're going to pick different people twice. Yeah, let's do that. We'll do members get in, and then 10 people for the first race, and then 10 people for the second race. Or you guys want to do 20 people for both races? The same 20 people. Well, we're definitely doing 2 races. I just don't know if we're going to pick separate people for the second race. Man, what a bounce. What a bounce. I re-enter in the same spot if I could get a chance. All right, so members first. Is Egan and Evan here? They're always here. I don't see them today. Wow. I guess because it's a later stream, so maybe not. Any members that are not on the list? Someone go to Pine Tree's stream and tell them to join. Or Luna Trades. I don't know if Luna's streaming or not. All right, and now we're gonna pick 10 more people. Oh, one sport. Members could join at any time as long as we're not in the race already. And then we're gonna pick 10 more people here. So we'll do that. We'll do 2 races and we'll pick 10 people twice because there's already 10 members. So we'll do 10 people once and then 10 people second time. On top of the members, of course. So with members, it's gonna be 20 per race, but what do you mean members? So members are people that pay like $5 a month to support the channel. and their names are green, it's like on Twitch you have subscribers, on YouTube it's called members. So they get an extra perk. They did not know they were gonna get this perk when they signed up, so. All right, let's pick first 10 people. Close entries. All right, picking 10 people. We're not gonna do, since we have 9 members, we're gonna pick 11 people unless one more member joins. But Chris with the K, like me. Kivak, maybe he's Polish. I don't know how to say that. Pegasus is alive. Trading for stop loss. Dre. Holden, Chandler. Yassine. Jairo Jimenez. Mud. Chid. I'm gonna call you Mud. Easier. Coma. Wake up. And number 10. Wow, not a single member was chosen. Tanaka. All right, one more. Unless we have any members I'm missing. Any members? No. Oh, John. Okay. John will be number 20. All right. So that's going to be the first batch. This is for the 50K take profit evaluation. And we're going to pick 10 more people. Like you could get picked again for the next race. That's going to be for a $100 bill. All right, so we have these members. So we have all these members. And then John here at the bottom. And then everyone else is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 10 viewers from the stream. You don't have to, guys, you don't have to enter again. If you already entered for the giveaway, you don't have to enter again. It's not, don't spam the chat. If you already are in the giveaway list, you're already in. If you just tune into the stream, then type in so that way you can enter. All right, we're going to do 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock. This is for the 50K take profit evaluation. Vroom, 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 vroom. This is your first time on the stream. We're going to meet our friend Golfy. Golfy is a nice guy. He works for a good salary for me, so he helps out on the stream once in a while. And yeah, I'm gonna go take a break. You guys enjoy. Good luck, and I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes. Hello. Oh, that was the wrong thing. What a failure.
What was that? Hello? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Oh, okay. It works now. Alright, my microphone wasn't working. There we go. Welcome to the first giveaway of Friday. Alpine is making me work late, making me work overtime. 2 giveaways, he said. Wow. He must have had a good week trading. Alright, we got the 50K take profit evaluation on the line here. We got 20 cars. We got 10 members and 10 other viewers. Who is going to take it? Miss Gay in the 4GT. We got Mud in the Aston Martin. We got Coma in the Acura and a Sex. Oh, who else is in the 911? One Sport is in the 911. Dominican Trader in the Acura. DB in the R8. Chandler in the Porsche 911. Alright, 1 minute to go. Who is going to take it? All the members are experienced. They know not to blow their load with the boost too soon. Everyone is just warming up their tires, getting ready for the final stretch. It's like the Olympics. Long distance runs. You guys see them just speed up right at the end. This is the same exact thing, but in a car. Alrighty, who is going to take it? John, slow it down, buddy. You don't want to blow it too soon. Oh, Dominican Trader's backing up. He is going to time that boost button at the right time. Oh, Dre just did a burnout. He is getting to the front of the pack. We got 25 seconds. That means in about 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here's the boost. Everyone is going to speed up. Oh, Jimenez in the Bugatti. Oh, yeah, he is boosting. He is boosting. Is it going to be enough, or did he start too soon? One Sport in the 911. He is pushing. One Sport in the 911. Is he going to take it? Who's going to take it? Oh! The name I can't pronounce. Pegasus with the old McLaren with the win. Whoa. Came out of nowhere. Well, congratulations. You get yourself a 50K take profit evaluation. And good luck with it. Alrighty. He's alive. I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. I'm gonna go take a break. Whoa. That was exciting.
All right. We got the first giveaway out of the way. Let's do... Let's do one more. Wow, I didn't get filled again. Oh my god, I keep getting missed. All right, they're gonna pick 10 new people. It could be the same people. All right, guys, you have 1 minute and 15 seconds to enter. Let's go, Mugs. 6K payout, and we'll be at 6 figures. We got one more member, Nomadic. You missed one giveaway, but we got a second one coming. This one is going to be for $100 with a wild card, of course. Those who watch the stream know what that means. If you win in a specific car, you'll get something extra. When I started watching you, I had no payouts. You showed me the compound effect. Much love and respect. Thank you, man. That means a lot. Compounding is kind of exactly what we need and all we should be focused on. Having big trading days is nice, but it's the compound effect that really gets us to bigger payouts and it makes it easier. Making 100K in a year is much harder when you have to make 100K. If that makes sense. It doesn't seem like a lot because it's only $400 a day, but there's going to be losses and stuff. But when we compound, we don't have to make 100K to make 100K because it's multiplied, copy traded. And you use house money to get more accounts and you just keep growing that way. Don't spend your, once you're profitable, number one is like when you get your first few payouts, you're using those payouts to buy more accounts. You're not using those payouts to buy yourself gifts and whatnot, right? You're reinvesting the money. Unless you have some bills to take care of course, priorities, but you're not buying yourself anything luxurious. Reinvest. What if you have some debt? So that's what I mean. If you have like, you know, bills and stuff, that's different. I'm talking about you're not splurging on things you don't need. But hopefully, I mean, that's the thing. That's where it gets like a very, you know, dangerous slope. When you have debt and you're trying to cover the debt with payouts, but then how are you gonna get more accounts? You know, you have to get more debt or spend your money. It's like, ideally, you would want to get some payouts and then reuse those payouts to get more payouts and then start paying things off, I think. Unless we're talking, if you get a $20,000, $30,000 payout, that's different. But I'm saying if you get like a $2,000 payout, like that's something to consider. But if you spent, you know, $20,000 on accounts and you got a $2,000 payout, that's different too. All right, let's pick 10 more people for a $100 giveaway. And I missed that entry once again, so I'm going to go back to the 15-minute opening high and see if we can get a bounce. Probably won't. If we get a bounce here, that's not even a good. I think it should stay. This is making higher lows still, and it's probably going to go higher. All right, let's pick 10 more people. Closing entries. And picking 10 people. Dom. Solaf, or Solaf. I don't know if that's a name or what is that. Peter. Full Send Capital. I like that name. He's gonna full send on the race too. Now. Am I saying that right? Now. Haha, motorsports, come on. It does not get better than that. I haven't gone to the track in so long, and the hobby of golf is kind of taking away the track. Dedication. Oh, our friend Perry. Let's go. About time. I feel like Perry never gets in this. It's Hefe. Everyone behave. Hefe's watching. All you guys trading out work. Olympians. And last but not least, Trader 007. Congrats. Wow, members did not get picked once. Out of all the 20 names we picked, members did not get picked once today. And yesterday or 2 days ago, whenever we did the giveaway, they got picked so many times. Miss K got picked like 4 times. All right, so these are the names that are in the race. So here's the thing. If you get a 911, you'll get extra $25 if you win. So it's a $100 giveaway with PayPal. And if you get a 911 and you win, it's $125. So it gets you almost an extra eval. Good luck. I'm going to set the grid. I'm going to shuffle 3 times. I'm going to check who's got the 911. Oh, there's like 1, 2. Only 2? I feel like it's GG's and Motorsports in the 911, which is great. All right. Good luck, guys. Get those engines going.
Alrighty. We're back. One more giveaway. And then it's weekend and I get to take off and go play some golf. My name is Golfy and I run the giveaways here at the Alpine fam. And it's nice to be back. We took a little time off in September or October, I forget. Anyway, good luck everyone. 2 minutes and 30 seconds is for $100. Elmi in a 4GT pulling off nice and fast off the gate. But we learned in the last race, the last leg, we saw how being in the back sometimes it's just better. GG's in the 911, so he's got a chance for $125. And Motorsports, what a name, with the green 911 also gets a chance for $125. Nice and easy. Everyone's taking it easy. They learned from the last race that going too fast too soon, no bueno. 1 minute and 40 seconds on the clock. One sport in the Bugatti this time. Golf Mike in a McLaren. Who else we got? Peter in a Aston Martin. Perry in a McLaren. Now in the R8. Nomadic in a Bugatti. Black Coffee Trader in the NSX. I feel like he's always in the Acura. Miss Gay in the McLaren. All right, 1 minute on the clock. Who is going to be the grand prize winner here today? $100 on the line. We'll find out in 55 seconds. Get ready. Everybody get ready. Warm up those tires. Perry is launching from the back. He saw how it was done last race. 35 seconds to go. Who is going to take the grand prize and go have fun with the $100 this weekend? Just don't spend it on anything crazy. All right, 3, 2, and 1, go. Go, 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 hit the boost. Oh, what happened to John John? I think he blew a tire. We'll see if he makes a comeback. He made a pit stop. Elmi in the lead. Black Coffee Trader. Go, go, go. Black Coffee Trader. Trader 007 in the Bugatti. And GG's in a 911. Is he going to do it? Oh, so close. But that W16. No match for 911. Trader 007 with a $100 prize. GG's, so close. Second place, and he would have had 125. Oh man, that was crazy. All right, send me emails. Trader07, send Alpine an email with your PayPal or Venmo. And Mr. is alive. Send me an email with your Take Profit email. I mean, send it to Alpine, not to me. I'm done. I'm checked out. See ya. See you next week, guys. Hit those likes. Alpine likes to do giveaways when he has a lot of likes.
Well, that's that. Make sure you email me, guys, before it's too late, because then I forget and I don't get it done till next week. All right, so that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it, as the market is dead. 2:30, long enough stream, over 2 hours, 3 hours actually, and did a decent job on one account, a little red on the other one. I'm still gonna probably leave a couple orders out on this one while I make lunch and stuff, but that's gonna do it for me, and we will see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Be safe, touch grass, and let's go after it. Last week of October, Halloween next Friday. Halloween next Friday. Crazy. And then November. And Christmas. Thanksgiving, Christmas. And the year is done. Not much time left to really catch up to last year's P&L. It's going to be tough. It's going to be tough for me to reach last year's P&L. All right, guys. See ya.